guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Tiffany, and today I want to film a New Year's Eve makeup look for you guys. New Year's Eve is very special to me because it's my husband and I's wedding anniversary, and this coming New Year's we'll be celebrating 2 years. So I'm really excited about that, and I want to create a look that is fun and festive, of course, and also romantic because we will be going out for dinner and celebrating our wedding anniversary. I don't know exactly how I want the look to turn out yet. I do know that I want to use some dark blues, some navy colors, maybe a little bit of blacks, because I want it to be dramatic for a night out. Oh, and of course glitter. You cannot skip out on glitter for the new year. I mean, that's just unheard of. So I know I want to incorporate some blues, some blacks, some glitters. I'm gonna go ahead and do one eye off camera and then I'll be right back. As per usual, I'm gonna go in and prime my eye using Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the color Warm Sand. I'm gonna apply it directly on the lid. Then I'm gonna blend it out with the Dry Beauty Blender. And then with this brush here, I'm just going to blend out the edges to make sure it's all smooth. The first color I'm going to add to my crease is this one here from the Juvia's Place Magic Palette. It's a really nice dark navy blue. I'm just going to focus on packing the color onto the lid first, and then we'll blend it out later. I extended the color out past my eye, and that's because I want to create a nice little wing there. The next color I'm going to go in with is the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe Dark Magic Palette, and I'm going to take the shade Busted here to blend out the crease. The final color I'm going to add to the crease is this one here from the same palette, and I'm going to apply this right near the brow bone. And this color is not going to show up that much, but it's going to just help blend around the edges and diffuse everything. It's time to cut the crease, and I'm going to do that using Tarte's Tape Shape Concealer in the color Medium. I'm just going to place the concealer on the back of my hand and pick it up with a flat brush. I'm going to cut the crease up pretty high because I want to use a lot of lid space today. I'm going to apply this color to the lid. This is Juvia's Place Masquerade palette. Next, I'm going to go back into the Magic Palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm going to pick up this color here and apply it to the lid right beside the first blue we laid down. So we're creating like a halo eye on the lid. I am leaving the space in my crease blank because I'm going to go in with some silver glitter. To deepen up the edges, I'm going to go back in with the dark blue. I'm gonna add some silver glitter to the crease here. This one is Stila's Magnificent Metal in the color Diamond Dust. To make the center of the lid pop, I'm going to go in with Lunar Gold from the Pat McGrath Mothership 5 palette. To deepen up the edges a bit, I'm going to go in with a black shadow. I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty Fly Liner and create a wing. This part you can kind of skip out on if you like. The wing is not gonna be too noticeable because I'm gonna smoke it out, but I added it to give myself a little bit more dimension and make it a little bit more smoky and romantic. Next, I'm going to take a little bit of black shadow and add it to the wing to smoke it out. To clean up the edges and fallout on my face, I'm going to go in with a makeup wipe. I'm going to apply my favorite lashes. These are Lion-Hearted Lashes by Cake Face Beauty. I'm going to prime my skin with Tarte's Clean Slate Primer. To give my skin a glow from within, I'm gonna apply a liquid highlight. This is Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Glow in the color Bronzed. Just gonna put a little bit on the back of my hand and apply it to my face. Normally, I'm not a liquid highlight under foundation kind of person, but since it's winter, my skin is drier. This just helps to give you a glow. I don't know if I'll be applying this in the summertime. And I'm just gonna blend it out with my foundation brush. Another benefit that I've noticed wearing a liquid glow under your foundation, it kind of blurs the skin a little bit. Like it just makes everything look more smooth. I'm gonna use Fenty Beauty's Pro Filter Foundation today in the color 370. And just like that, brows are done. I went ahead and did my brows early because I don't want to look ugly for the rest of the video. I'm going to go in and conceal and highlight with Tarte's Tape Shape in the color Medium Tan Golden. I'm going to cream contour with Colourpop's No Filter Concealer in the color Deep Dark 54. I'm gonna set under my eyes with Sephora's Mattifying Powder Foundation in the color Golden Fawn. For double coverage, I'm going to go in with a little bit of loose setting powder. This is the Laura Mercier Translucent Powder mixed with Sacha Buttercup. Going to quickly dust that away. I'm going to set my entire face with Sephora's MicroSmooth powder in the color Hazelnut. Going to bronze up my cheeks with a little bit of Bobbi Brown's bronzing powder in the color Deep 4. Also going to add some to the forehead and a little to the chin. I really don't want too much color on the cheeks, so I'm going to go in with a pretty neutral blush. I'm going to pick up this shade here from the Juvia's Place Volume 2 blush palette. Now it's time to work on the lower lash line. I'm going to go in and pretty much use every single color I used on the crease on the lower lash line, starting with the lightest color first. I'm going to line my waterline with a black eye pencil. Next, I'm going to go in with Too Faced Glitter Glue and add it to the lower lash line. And then I'm going to be adding some loose glitter to the lower lash line. This one is by Wet n Wild in the color Lilac Frosting. You want to be really careful with the glitter not to get it all over your face. I'm going to go in right on top with the chunky glitter. This one is by Mermaid Scales in the color Lava Bliss. I'm going to prep my skin for highlight with some setting spray. This one is by Morphe. Before the setting spray dries down, I'm going to go back in with a little bit more of this liquid glow and add it to the high points of my face. I'm going to go right in on top with some powder highlight. This one is by Bobbi Brown in the color Moon Glow. I'm also going to add that to the inner tear ducts and bridge of the nose. I think I snapped with this one, y'all. It's fire. I'm gonna line my lips with Makeup Forever's Artist Pencil in the color Limitless Brown. We have a lot going on the eyes, so I'm gonna keep the lips neutral. I'm gonna go in with Knock on Wood Liquid Lipstick by Dose of Colors. I can't decide if I want to stay nude or glossy. I mean, I'm loving this nude lip. I think this color is the perfect nude for my skin tone. So if you're close to my skin tone, it's great. You might want to check it out. But I think I'm gonna go in with some gloss. For a really nice glossy finish, I'm gonna add some lip oil right to the lips. To finish the entire look off, I'm gonna go in with one last round of setting spray. I love how this look turned out. I don't know how romantic it is, but I'm feeling it. Okay guys, that completes this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. You know what to do if you did. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Be sure to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified every single time I upload a video, which is twice a week. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, and Twitter. I will link all of those down below in the description box. I want to thank you all so much for watching, and until my next one, bye!